Did you know that over 23,000 pieces of space debris the size of a baseball or larger are zipping around Earth, each capable of shattering the International Space Station in seconds? Imagine, a single metal bolt, traveling faster than a bullet, could endanger everything on board. So, how does the ISS avoid becoming target practice in this cosmic shooting gallery? Let's take a closer look at the incredible maneuvers and split-second decisions that keep our astronauts safe in orbit. Space debris isn't just old satellites or rocket parts. It's an unpredictable swarm of high-speed projectiles whizzing around our planet. Each piece is moving at roughly 28,000 kilometers per hour, 10 times faster than a bullet. And with thousands of objects in the mix, every moment the ISS is in orbit, it's flying through a high-stakes obstacle course. But thankfully, it's not defenseless. NASA uses an advanced radar network to monitor each piece of debris. They track every object with a collision-avoidance system, which scans the skies like a cosmic weather radar. This system can predict if a piece of debris is on a collision course with the ISS hours, or sometimes even days, in advance. But there's more to the story. When a collision threat becomes real, the ISS doesn't just sit and wait. Mission Control springs into action, calculating exactly where the debris will cross paths with the station. So what happens next? Here's where it gets fascinating. If there's no chance of escape, the ISS will execute a planned evade maneuver. Imagine the entire space station, over 400 tons of high-tech equipment, astronauts, and labs, shifting in orbit just enough to dodge the debris. With the tiniest adjustments to its thrusters, the ISS can change speed and direction to safely pass by any hazardous object. It's like the biggest game of space dodgeball you can imagine, except the stakes are a lot higher. But that's not all. NASA and other space agencies are in constant communication to prevent collisions in real time. Think of it as space traffic control, a synchronized effort to guide not only the ISS, but also satellites and other spacecraft. The precision required for this coordination is mind-blowing. But it's all about protecting human life and valuable technology in orbit. Looking ahead, scientists are developing technologies to actually remove space debris. Ideas range from massive nets to capture debris to lasers that push smaller pieces away from critical paths. One thing's clear, the need to dodge debris will only increase as more satellites and space missions launch each year. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, astronauts on the ISS are navigating through an invisible minefield. But thanks to incredible technology and the skillful teams on the ground, they stay safe, dodging thousands of space bullets, one maneuver at a time. Isn't it amazing what humankind can achieve? If this blew your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fascinating space adventures. There's always more to explore.